Hi Janet, I think this will be pretty simple. I've tried to reduce a lot of the extraneous stuff so that you can do just the posting of the posts of the articles. So the first thing is to log in using your login. Okay, then when you get here to create a post, go to Posts, Add New, and for this example, we'll use the railroad train rides post that you gave me. Okay, so let's call the title Train Rides. I'm not a great typist. Okay, we're going to use the Divi builder, so click that. Okay, forget the other options, just go to Browse Layouts, go to your saved layouts, click on Post Layout, it'll load. Then you'll notice that when you entered the title, Train Rides, it also created the permalink or the URL. That's good. You can edit it, but be careful because it has to be in a certain way. You notice there's no capital letters and there's always a hyphen, there's no spaces. But so usually, I mean always, if you enter a title, it'll create the correct URL. Okay, then go over here to page layout and make sure it is full width. Then the first thing, we'll have to enter three things. We'll have to enter actually four things. The large picture at the top of the post, and that's right here under full width header. Click this little gear, scroll down to background. Now you'll see this is just a placeholder, so we want to change it and put the actual photo in. So go to gear, okay, upload photos or upload files. Now you'll go to the location that you have the image, a large image. Now the best size is, and write this down, 1920 pixels horizontal across the top and 1280 pixels vertical. So I just found one on the web, so I'll use that. Okay, and then upload image, and there it is. To save this, click this little arrow. Now that's the full width image across the top of the post. The next thing is the title. So to get the title, open up your Word file. And it's always good to write your articles in a Word file or something so you have another copy of it so that you're not really writing right on the web. You don't want to do that. Okay, so here's the title, Train Rides. Well, you could of course type it in too, but okay. Let's go back to this. Okay, here we go. I hit the little gear over article title. Now, title of post. You can type in Train Rides, or since I copied and pasted, I shouldn't have really done that because it's not a very long title, but I will paste. So Train Rides, there it is. Now, all this is a title. Click the Save Changes. Okay, The next thing is the article body or the text. So there, open up your Word file again, select the text, copy, that's Control C if you're using a Windows computer. Open up the article body module with this little gear. You have some placeholder text in there, so just select all of that and now paste into it the text from your article. And there it is. Okay, so now click again the Save Changes arrow. The last item you'll need to put in will be the small image that shows on the home page of the multiple posts for people to select. So that is called the featured image. So down here on the right, bottom of the right column, click Featured Image. We'll upload that. Now, usually I try to make a different image, a different format of the same image, because this image will always be square. The image at the top, you'll want a horizontal or long image. So this one, I took that same image and made a square version of it. You'll see in a minute here. Okay, so click Set Feature Image. Now the last thing, and one of the most important thing is click Publish. Right over here on the right hand side. Okay. Okay, then you can look at it from here. You can select View Post. And there it is. It automatically has this bottom footer to collect name and email addresses. Okay, and as you can see when you go to the home page, that is now showing as an article. Now, we didn't mention this before, but you know that I've made it so that the most recent 6 posts show up on the home page, but if somebody wants to view all of them, then you click View All, and now, all 7 are there, and of course that number will increase on this page. So we'll go back to the home, and that is it. I think probably for you the hardest thing will be finding an image, and then secondly finding an image that fits. You may have to edit the image, and there are a number of online editing services. Actually, you can, in the form of a website, so we can talk about that. But that's it. That is how you post an article.